So here is PostNord app. So basically, if you're traveling or living in Denmark or some other Nordic countries, this is the original kind of Nordic postage app, PostNord, and track your parcels. Quite handy app here. So if you just install it, what it does, you just create your profile and then it automatically fetches like new packages from your email address. So you can see like, you know, if you order someone from some web shop, you instantly can see that, okay, this package is added to PostNord app automatically. You can see the delivery information and then you can see all real-time updates here from when the package is registered, when the package is transferred, and then you can just see the timeline where the package is and what's happening to it. And it's automatically fetching it from your email. So it's pretty cool and it's quite convenient. And then you can just enable notifications, and when the package is arriving, you will see all this information in your real time. So you can be at home, you can plan, or just, yeah, things like that. So yep, and then from here you can also buy postage. Like you can just send, for example, return your packages or things like that around Denmark. Then there is support, and then there is your profile, all your packages. Yes, so that's basically the idea. So quite nice, convenient app if you're in Denmark.